Hello Swapnil, I am Preeti Mehta, team member of FindMyTest.com. We are glad that you joined us today. I would like to congratulate you for securing All India Rank 36 in GATE 2021 chemistry paper. Would you please introduce yourself to our viewers?
Hello everyone, I am Swapnil Agnihotri and I am currently pursuing my MSc in chemistry from IIT Delhi and I am from Haridwar, Uttarakhand.
Okay. So what are your views on chemistry?
I think chemistry is a subject is not only interesting to read, but it is also applicable in our daily lives. So that makes it even more interesting. Uh,
Okay. So what is your GATE score and marks in GATE 2021 and how many times have you attempted GATE examination?
my GATE score is 840 and the marks are 78. And this was my first attempt of GATE.
Okay, that's great. So when did you decide that you want to attempt GATE as a serious career and when did you start preparing for the examination?
Uh, I st- I decided to prepare for GATE when I was in my graduation, when I was in DU pursuing my graduation, uh,
Oh,
and I started preparing for GATE since last year, March, during the
okay.
lockdown time.
Okay, Swapnil, so there are many other career options like CAT, PSUs, jobs and government jobs. So why did you choose GATE over all other career options?
I chose GATE because I am not much interested in research, so I wanted to join PSUs. So for joining PSUs like ONGC and DRDO, I decided that I will appear for GATE.
Okay. So what was the difficulty level of GATE 2021 chemistry examination?
I think the paper was not much difficult since this time around, even the graduation students were eligible for appearing for GATE. So the questions were particularly taken from the basics.
Okay. So did you take up any coaching and how did the coaching help you in securing All India rank 36 in GATE 2021 chemistry examination?
No, I did not take any coaching for GATE. I only took coaching for IIT JAM from Chem
Okay.
Academy. I did not take any coaching for GATE. I only prepared with self-study.
Okay. So which book or study material did you refer for the preparation of GATE examination? And would you please like to suggest few books which are going to help to crack the examination?
Yes, the books I followed were pretty much the standard books, such as for organic, I mostly read Claydon and Caruthers. I think those two are more than enough, especially Claydon. And for inorganic, I used to read Ajay Kumar, B.D. Gupta, and Hui. And for physical chemistry, K.L. Kapoor and Atkins are enough. So these books helped me throughout the preparation.
Okay. So in every examination, there are few topics that are considered important. So what are some important topics that should be focused while preparing for GATE chemistry examination?
I think organic organic chemistry should be considered as total. So you have to read almost all of it. But in physical chemistry, there are some topics like thermodynamics, conductance, quantum chemistry. Those are very important. And for inorganic, mainly 3 or 4 are the most important, such as coordination, organometallic chemistry, and bioinorganic. So these can be focused on, and one can get good rank by reading these chapters.
Okay. So, while preparing for competitive exams, there are various people participating from different, places of India. So we must have this strategy which suits us, which is perfect for us. So what was your preparation and revision strategy?
I think my first goal was to complete the syllabus as soon as possible, and while also keeping in mind what is relevant and what is not. So we have to pertain to the syllabus also, and we have to practice previous year questions also. So
Okay.
that is most important. And consistency is also important. We must try to read daily.
Okay. So in competitive examination, except for preparation, strategy, the one and the, most important thing that is going to help us is time management during the examination. So how did you
Yes.
manage your time and what was your time management strategy for attempting GATE chemistry examination?
I made a strategy beforehand,
Mhm.
before going to the so I started attempting the questions, and attempted all the questions which I could attempt in the first go, which were the easiest questions. And the other questions which are deemed that I can do them later, but they might take some effort, I just marked them and went on to the other questions. Then after going through all the questions, I again started from the first question, and all those questions which I had marked, I started attempting them. So uh, this saved a lot of time, because what we generally do, we just we just keep solving one question after another, and if we can't solve that question, we get irritated, and that wastes a lot of time. So we should actually leave those questions which we cannot do. We should firstly do those questions which are most easy for us.
Okay, that's good. So how did this current, pandemic which is going on affected your studies and routine?
I think first of all, it was beneficial during the first phase of lockdown and pandemic, but then it got a bit frustrating, and many times I used to give up also, but with proper consistency, I could complete the syllabus in time.
Okay. So how was this year's GATE pattern different from previous years?
I think this time many questions were taken from those topics which are not generally expected in GATE exam, like
Mm.
solutions, Raoult's law, and mole concept. So people should always remember that they should also remember the basics. They should not forget the basics while preparing for the advanced study. So we should be prepared for anything.
Okay. So would you like to throw some lights on GATE 2022 chemistry aspirant?
I think for GATE, preparation of syllabus is of utmost importance. And practicing more and more questions, especially the previous year questions, will help any aspirant for the next year.
Okay. So congratulations once again for securing All India rank 36 in GATE 2021 chemistry examination. And thank you for giving us your valuable time. And Find My Test team wishes you all the best for your bright future.
Thank you so much, Kriti. Thank you for having me.
Thank you.